'Di ba?
But still, the gesture has carried a lot of weight and meaning talaga for the people globally.
Siguro para sa maraming alam mo yun. Dito sa atin kasi
But
diba,
still, bro, para ignorance doesn't excuse you, no, from the sensitivities of the gesture. And these people are intellectual people, di ba? They're law students, for Christ's sake. So, di ba, parang they should be informed enough, I think, na such gesture holds such a very, very significant and infamous meaning.
Yeah.
Diba?
It's actually a representation of hate and intolerance,
Yeah,
diba?
yun.
Diba? It's associated with Holocaust also. Pero ano ba? You or me, come on. They are celebrating, for crying out loud. Wala naman sa isip siguro nila yung ganyan.
Pero yun nga, bro,
diba?
Parang di ba dapat naisip din naman nila muna.
Siguro because
kung how it would affect other people, how would other people interpret the gesture that they made. And tawag dito parang di ba, I mean, pwede namang I think it's the same thing na tawag dito, okay, parang masaya ka lang, i-celebrate ka lang, kunyari party ka, tapos mga may songs na may N-word, tapos sinabi mo.
Di ba?
Wala din yung mga may mga black people, no? Para you cannot just say na, well, we're just celebrating, we're just happy.
It remotely brings to mind the victims of hazing also.
Yun din.
Siguro yun.